Hi guys, this is Anand from FinLife, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a custom portfolio on the Money Control website. So let's get on to it. So log on to moneycontrol.com. So here, if you are a first-time user, then go and create an account. Let's say, um, trial account. No. Okay, password you can keep as anything. So trial account is not available, so I'll use trial ACCOU. Password I'll keep 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Confirm password 7 8. Email ID whatever you want to choose. I'll choose livedelhi@gmail.com. So after registering, you can just log into your account portfolio. So after logging in, you can just skip this part for the time being. Eventually you will understand it later on. So this is your current net worth is 0, obviously, because no stocks are added right now. So now I'm going to teach you how to add stocks. So let's say you take a position or you buy some shares. Let's say you buy Tata Steel at the rate of 235 bucks. Okay, so and you want to add that to your portfolio. So you just click on add, and here type the name of the stock, Tata Steel, and after that select Tata Steel. Let's say today's date, so you choose today's date here, and a number of shares. Let's say you bought 100 shares at 235, and save it to the trial account. Notes, in case you want to type any notes, I'll write the name of my broker, let's say Religare. Okay, and save it. So these stocks, and just click once on the save, don't click it twice. So after clicking once, it'll be done and it'll be added to your account. So when your stocks are added, you will be able to see that the overall gain is this much. In this scenario, you are losing 3.5% of your wealth, and you have invested approximately 22,000. You can add a number of shares here, and this is like a virtual portfolio you are maintaining, and this is mainly for cash stocks, and it is not for intraday trading, because here you can see that the stock has fallen by 1% only, and the stock has fallen by 1% only, and my overall loss is around 3.5%. So on the other hand, if you want to add more stocks, you can add more stocks. Let's say SBIN, State Bank of India. I search it up, so here I find it, and let's say I had purchased it on 28th. Okay, and let's say 100 shares, price and 250, and trial account. I save it. After saving, obviously this is also going to be added to the net worth, and I'll be able to see my complete net worth here. Further, you've got a Money Control app. You can log into the Money Control app and check out your current holdings and the total rise and fall in your holdings. On the other hand, you can add mutual funds, ULIPs and other things, but I am mainly focused on stock market, so I prefer stocks only. I don't add anything else here. You can watch your transaction history by clicking at this button here on the left side, and see whatever your positions are, which you've bought or which you've sold, and when you sell some positions, they'll come somewhere here, and you'll be able to see your net gain and loss. On the other hand, if you go to health check, you can check out your capital gains. That means in when you invest in stock markets, and let's say if you sell a stock within a year, then you'll have to bear a 15% tax that is called short term capital gain tax, and in case of long term, if you hold the stock more than 1 year, you don't have to pay any tax on the profits. So this will automatically calculate, if you are correctly mentioning the dates and the investment date and the price, then this will automatically calculate the correct price and the amount of tax you have to pay, so you don't have to worry a lot about that also. And you can keep getting information about the stocks, about your stocks, and from this left side only, information and updates, bids, high, low, PE, and these are mainly used for the analysis. Okay, and let's go on to investments again. So after clicking on investments and going on to stocks, you can see your net worth, and you can use this portfolio to track your net worth on daily basis, and this is a very good way to start following stocks. So it's highly recommended that you make up a portfolio, a small portfolio, let's say of 5 shares, 6 shares, and don't do any analysis right now. Buy the stocks on a gut feeling or on a basis of any news. It doesn't really matter. So after you've made a portfolio, you can just start following it on your mobile or the computer itself, and this is how you will start getting interested in the stock markets and following it. And you'll see, initially start with a virtual portfolio without investing anything, but when you start investing also, then you can also maintain this portfolio because it will be helpful for you. And that's about it for the video. I just wanted to explain you how to make the portfolio and track it, and that's about it. Thank you so much. Keep liking and sharing the videos.